Hello morning, hello day. Feel like the sun is shining a little brighter today. I'm gonna say my prayers and then I'll start my day. Hello morning, hello day. It was raining yesterday, but now it's sunny today. And all the clouds are gone and the tears are wiped away. I didn't see the rainbow coming, but its joy is here to stay. So hello future, hello day, hello morning, hello day. Feel like the sun is shining a little brighter today. I'm gonna say my prayers and then I start my day. Hello morning, hello day. See, I've been fighting my way to get here, but I arrived today. And everything that I've seen has made me who I am today. See, it's been a long time coming, but the storm has gone away. So hello sunshine, hello day, hello morning, hello day. Feel like the sun is shining a little brighter today. I'm gonna say my prayers and then I'll start my day. Hello morning. See, I can see the light is getting brighter than ever before. I can see the winds are blowing the darkness farther away. I can see the tears are flowing down from heaven above. I can see the sun wiping them away.